Hey guys, so today I'm back with another video. Today is gonna be my BoxyCharm unboxing for August. So if you want to see what I got this month, just keep on watching. Alright, so this month's theme is Life of the Party, and that's a little poster what it looks like. So the first thing I got was this Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold eye masks, and they had 3 in there. I already tried one out this morning before I did my makeup, and I have to say I really liked it. This is the first under eye patch that I use that doesn't fall off my eyes as I'm waiting on the time, because you know I have to wait 10-15 minutes, 20 or something, and the whole time I put them on and they did not fall off at all. So I really liked them, and those retail for $13. So I don't know where they sell them at, but I really like them, and I got 3 of them. I already used one, I got 2 left. So, and I think they really did, like, I could definitely tell a difference under my eyes after I used them, and I'm excited to keep using those. So next up, I got this Becca 12-Hour Shine Control primer, and it's the Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfector. So this one retails for $15 to $18. So I could have gotten, there was 3 different primers I could have gotten, and this one, I'm not sure how much it retails for, but it's $15 to $18 depending on which one you got. And I tried it on this morning as well. It automatically, like, put it on, and it felt like it automatically got dry, and my skin felt matte, like not dry but matte. So I enjoyed it. I didn't moisturize under my makeup, so putting this primer straight on my skin without no moisturizer underneath felt kind of weird, because it did just feel kind of a little dry, but it's because I didn't moisturize. So I just went in straight with the primer, and it did like tighten up my skin, kind of like mattify it like instantly. So I kind of like that. Next up, I got this Bang Beauty pomade, and this one retails for $22. So this one's a triple thread, or said it says use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. This creamy chocolate toned pomade is the ultimate triple threat, and I did use it today. I didn't realize it was brown. I didn't look at the directions or at the description. I thought it was black, so I was going to use it as an eyeliner. So I started doing my eyebrows, and then I put this on the very top. I used the other 2 products, but this one on top, I do have it on. I like it. It's a pomade. It reminds me of the Mandy Anastasia pomade, but it's okay. I like it. This is the darkest shade I've ever had. This is what it looks like. It definitely reminds me of well, actually the Kylie Cosmetics packaging a little, of like those eyeshadow ones she put out at one time, but it's a pomade. That's the color I got, and chocolate. Oh, back it says it's a gel eyeliner, but I mean, you can use it. I used it for my brows. Next up, I got this NCLA So Rich treatment. So I think this is a cuticle. So it's like cuticle oil. That's cool, because I don't own any cuticle oils. So this is the first. Oh. And a lady did tell me once that my cuticles were too dry. So, and this one retails for $18, so that's cool. I don't do my nails a whole lot at home, because I mean, I can never keep them good. That's why I go get fake nails. But I hadn't had fake nails in a while, and I try to paint my nails to save money and stuff, but they just never come out right. Maybe I can start doing them again and try and do them good, and I'll actually use this maybe. Next up, I got this Smashbox Sorted. It's a liquid metal. It's called the Legendary Liquid Metal. So I thought it was a liquid lipstick. When I saw like spoilers, I thought it was gonna be liquid lipstick, and I was really excited. But then when I actually used it, when I was doing my makeup earlier, I tried to use it, and I used it and stuff, but wasn't what I was expecting. I guess some people got a metal liquid lip, or yeah, and then some might have gotten a matte liquid lip. So I got a metal one, so it retails from $21 to $24 depending on what you got. And that's what it looks like once it's on. I mean the color is pretty, kind of more like a autumn fallish look, but I don't really wear metal colors. I like matte or glosses, but not metals. So that one's something I'm probably not gonna use, but I mean, it's cool. I guess good to have in the collection for just in case. Or you could probably even use it as an eyeshadow, maybe, if it's safe. And then last but not least, I got this Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like right there. It has 6 colors, a mirror, and this is the name. It's called Party Animal, of course. It has if you can tell, it's like a colorful palette, and she recently came up with this like, I think it's 3 different eyeshadow palettes, and each palette has a theme. And this one was Pops of Color eyeshadow palette, and this one retails for $19. That's why the theme was Life of a Party, and she's in there right there also. That's her eyeshadow collection. She has her own cosmetic lines, which is Laura Lee Los Angeles, and I don't own anything by her, even though she's one of my top influencers that I watch, but I don't know, I just haven't bought anything from her. So this is the first, and I really like it. I'm actually wearing it today on my eyes. I used it this morning to do my makeup, this look, and I really enjoyed it. Like, I hardly ever do colorful eye looks. I like to experiment though, and today this is to be honest, this is like the most colorful eye look that I've ever done. So I really liked it. It took me a while, but at first I wasn't sure what I was gonna do, but I ended up using all 6 shades. I tried to make it a goal to use all 6 shades, and I did. So I really liked how how the look ended up. So that was all for my BoxyCharm, what I got this month. It was okay, I guess. I think the only thing that I was kind of disappointed was with the Smashbox liquid metal liquid lip, and then the cuticle nail, because I mean, the cuticle oil, I never use it, or I never use those things, and so I mean, I don't know, but overall I still like everything else. But for sure the eyeshadow palette is my top favorite, for sure. And yeah, and this is probably the best, since I got BoxyCharm, this is probably the best eyeshadow palette of all the ones that I've received. This is the one that I really love, and I'm so happy they put that in there. Alright guys, so that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you aren't already, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.